I'm Dr. Jerry Lieberman. I'm the director of the State Education and Environment Roundtable. We started as a group of 16 state departments of education, and all of those organizations were interested in building environmental literacy into standards-based education. Everything we do depends on natural resources. If you look at that from a historical perspective, civilizations were all founded in locations that provided them with water because they depended on that for everything from farming to drinking to navigation. Everything they did and everything we still do today depends on water. What would a day without water look like? Well, everything we drink, everything we eat is dependent on water. So we can think about it as just getting water from the tap, or we can think about it as getting water from our food, or we can think about we have water in the engines of our cars to keep them cool. Everything we do depends on that water flow. So a day without water, slowly but surely we would see people and communities fading away. And we've seen that. That's what you see when you look at ghost towns around the history of the United States. Why? Why did they turn into ghost towns? Many of them because their water supply disappeared and started failing. So we're really talking about a place where we would see water disappearing even for a day. We'd start to see our economic systems falter because manufacturing depends on water, mining depends on water. Everything we do and need on a daily basis, in fact, really on an hourly basis, requires a healthy, clean supply of water and a constant supply of water.